And can you hear that? It's starting to sound like Christmas, and also it's starting to look like Christmas. Today, November 10th, is the opening first day of the holidays out here at Disneyland. We're out here to start off the holidays. Super early, but here we go. This is a ZeuS adventure. Let's go. Here comes the big reveal. Just look at this Christmas tree right here. So today, November 10th, like I said, it's 11 a.m. Look at the crowds.
Or good, so be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out, you better not cry, better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. With tin horns, little toy drums, toot toot toot, Santa bum bum bum. Santa Claus is coming to town, and curly head dolls, a toddle and coo, elephants, boats, and kitty cars too. Santa Claus is coming to town. The crazy girl and boyland will have a jubilee. They're gonna build a toyland town around the Christmas tree. Whoa, you better watch out, you better not cry, better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town, ding, 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 ding. Santa Claus is coming.
I mean a big fat man, I'll play for you.
He's coming to town.
Thank you so much, folks. Really not bad. We'll see you real soon on Make for the USA. But until we do,
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
happy holidays, folks. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Happy holidays.
Ooh, what's this over here? Looks like they're about to record a commercial or something. It says filming today. And so today, actually, I was not gonna vlog, but I did get myself this new camera. It's specifically made for taking pictures, high quality pictures, which I really don't do. I do more of a video. I guess today is the test of it and see how it comes out. So I think first things first is we're gonna go get ourselves a Christmas bucket. All right, guys, we did get ourselves the Mickey Christmas popcorn bucket. It was $29.99. And like always, I give away my popcorn just because I'm not a big popcorn guy. And here comes out the Disneyland band. Let's go check them out. See if they'll play some Christmas tunes for us.
One, two, ah!
Good evening, everyone. In keeping with our time-honored tradition, we invite you to turn your attention to Town Square for the lighting of our beautiful Christmas tree. Here in the magical place where dreams come true, we hope you'll share the spirit of the season by helping us light our Yuletide tree. So on the count of 3, everyone please join together in saying Happy Holidays. Ready? 1, 2, 3, Happy Holidays! And a very pleasant evening to one and all from the merriest place on earth.
All right, my friends, it's 5 o'clock and we are ready to go head out to California Adventure. We're about to go see Phat Cat Swinger.
And now, please join us in giving a warm holiday welcome to the West Coast's little big band, Phat Cat Swinger.
Hey, Merry Christmas, everybody! That's Will the Thrill Pattinson on the Barry sax. Everybody say hi, Sheriff! We are Phat Cat Swinger. We're so happy to be back at Disney California Adventure Festival and Holidays, where it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, take a look at the 5 and 10. It's whistling once again, with candy canes and swinging rings aglow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store, but the prettiest sight you'll see is the holly that will be on your home front door.
They have this cool Festival Holidays sweater for magic key holders. So I've been seeing more of security all over the park. I don't think I've seen that before. I guess that's a good thing. Let's go to Radiator Springs, check out Christmas out here.
I saw Patrick. I saw his wife's letter.
Well, Lightning Lane starts here. What is happening? Must have broke down sometime earlier. Hey, look at this. No more Halloween tires. New to the menu starting today is the guacamole bacon burger. Gonna go right here next to Radiator Springs. Cars right. It's almost time for them fireworks. All right, we do have the fireworks going on right now at the moment, which I decided not to do them just because I'm extremely tired. As you all know, I did work the night shift last night, 10:30 to 7 in the morning. After work, I came straight out here. But we're gonna do a quick drive-by or a walk-by. Super crowded.
Está perdido, ¿no?
I know, it's like Find My Own. Well, timed that pretty good, didn't I? All right, this is the last goodbye to the castle with all its Christmas lights glowing so beautiful. But I am extremely exhausted. Turkey, turkey. Kind of scared him away. Eating all the popcorn. Every time Halloween comes by, I always say it's my favorite time of the year, but then Christmas comes and it's like, what the heck? I can't make up my mind, but it's so beautiful. Look at this. The holidays at Disneyland takes the win. Uh-oh, here comes the car. All right, so the day didn't go as planned as I thought, but I'm glad that I did come out on a Friday. Not just any Friday, the opening day, the first day of Christmas out here at Disney. So hopefully I do get to come back soon. Where I leave you guys. Thank you for watching this little short vlog. We'll see you on the next one. This was a ZeuS adventure. Good night, guys. Happy holidays.